So, we are, at the end of the day, tired, for sure, at least. Okay, so I will would like to spend just 2 minutes of words, let's say, for what concerns the closing session of this event. So I would like to start with a big thank you for the entire organizing committee that made it possible to organize these events. So I will ask all of you to a round of applause. Thank you. They have been 2 full days of staff presenting workshops, so very tiring, I have to say, but I hope also very productive. At least this is exactly what I feel right now. In addition to the organizing committee, I would like to also thank all the other people that have worked here. Gianmarco, who took care about the photographs together with Erika. And all the other guys that you have seen moving stuff, the posters and so on, that are working with us, with Open Citations mainly, and then the 2 companies that supported us from an administrative organizational point of view, the catering that offered us amazing food and drink. I would like to just add 2 additional big thank you to the two different people that have worked a lot in the past period in order to make this possible. The first one is Ivan Haibi, that is there, that care about all the technological configuration for the event, and also served as chair for the submission and coordinated all the review process and so on. And the other person is Chiara Giambattista there. Who, technically speaking, made this possible. I mean, without her, that she's working on that since 1 year in order to, contact everyone, I mean, not only you, but I mean, all the administration, all the various entities involved in order to make it possible. So I would like to reinforce the applause for her for that wonderful job.
And also, let's give a big round of applause for Silvio Peroni, who coordinated everything, and also today was the host, the welcome committee was everywhere with everyone, and somehow still wearing his hat, despite the hot weather. So please, another applause for Silvio. Thank you.
So before closing up, I have another request for another applause, because I think that the whole thing that we have seen so far and that we have done in the past year wasn't possible without a person who passed away last year, that is David Shatton. So I would like just to ask a very noisy applause for him and for his work. That was the last, and I think the most important one for what concerned me, in particular, thing that I wanted to say. As you know, this workshop is something that we organize every 2 years in order to wrap up on the status of the things around open citations, open scholarly metadata, or as we are going to call from now on, probably open research information. And so I hope to see you in 2 years. Thank you so much for being here. And have a nice rest of the day.